Tonight we're going to be doing a special episode on teaching your teen how to cook. Welcome back to Easy Cuisine. I'm Jenny. My son Graham and I are gonna be making my cheesy baked chicken marinara with a side salad and vinaigrette served over spaghetti noodles. This is the first dinner meal that I had Graham start to learn how to cook with, and it's a very easy meal for anyone that's learning how to cook. Before we dive into that, I wanna give you a few tips on how I set up teaching him how to cook. And the first is to pick a night during your week that is not stressful for them and not stressful for you, that you can count on as a night that you're gonna try making a recipe over and over. And the second thing is to do what I call scaffolding, where you want the first time for you to basically be making the recipe, have them read through the recipe all the way through beforehand and visualize themselves making it, go find all the ingredients together, do the whole setup, and they're just side by side. You're going through kitchen safety as you make it, and they watch you. The second time, you pull back a little bit. You have them do all the steps, but you're right there side by side if they need you, showing them how to do certain things. And then the third time you pull back a lot and you want to be maybe just in the same room, but you have an agreement that you're going to try to not say anything, but you're there just in case. And then finally you really can get to a place where they can successfully do it. And then you can move to more complex recipes. Pay attention to what meals they love that you make, that they would like to have, be able to make when they are out independent in the world. And then you can start having them do more complex recipes. All right, let's get started. So tonight, Graham, it's been a little while since you've made this chicken dish. I thought it would be fun to see if you can get through the recipe without my assistance. But before we begin, I want to give you a little quiz. I want to see if you can remember some of the foundations that I have taught you that are important as you set out to make a meal.
Oh, okay. I know this. Yeah, just kidding. You want to have all your ingredients out on the table so that your station is ready, your measurements are out, you can get quick access to all of them. You want to wash your hands before you cook anything. You want to have your own chef's towel. And your home base is the recipe, and you want to be reading over this once or twice every single time before you cook, because it helps you get a good visual of what you're going to be cooking and how you're going to cook it.
Great, good job. And remember to get up onto the sides too. Looks great. And while the chicken is baking, you know, you got time here. You want to look at your timer and think, okay, whatever pasta it is that you're making, how much time does that take? So how much time do we have left on the timer?
33 minutes. We can do it second time.
So, you know, you can go ahead and get your salad assembled. You can set the table. I would go ahead and wash that raw chicken off that board. You can be putting your ingredients away so that, you know, everything is like less cleanup later. You just really want to use your time efficiently. And what else do we have on hand that we could put in the salad? We've got some cherry tomatoes you could cut up. We could put an avocado in there. You guys probably know this, but when you're teaching your kids to use knives, you know, a misconception is, oh, we'll just use a dull knife so they won't cut themselves. Actually, they're gonna cut themselves more with a dull knife because it will slip, it won't slide right through the food. I mean, you've gotta be careful and teach them how to really watch their fingers. But actually, a sharp knife is safer than a dull knife.
That chicken is so good.
What do you taste?
Tomato, you know, very strong, and a sense of marinara sauce, but it goes really well with the chicken, so.
And the melted cheese, and the marinara with the pasta, and then with the salad.
Can't get a good.
Delicious. So why don't you tell them to enjoy their dinner?
Enjoy your dinner.
Hit like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss a future episode.